Good morning, students. Today we are going to see our last chapter of this unit test. So this is going to be our last chapter, and from the next video we will see a revision. So this is writing skill basically, and we have to see what is the method of making a juice, or we can say a lemonade. Okay. So how to create a soap bubble we will see first of all, and then we will see the rest of the chapter. Read and understand how to create a soap bubbles. Soap bubbles, we all know what are the soap bubbles. Things you need for making soap bubbles: half spoon of detergent powder, half a glass of water, one sheet of paper, sellotape, and a spoon to stir. Okay, then these are the things we need to make soap bubbles. And what is the method of making soap bubbles? We have to add a spoon of detergent powder in a glass of water. Okay, we will take one glass of water and then we will add a spoon of detergent powder. Okay, in that, then roll a sheet of paper to make a straw. Then we have to make a straw. If you have a ready-made straw, you can take that also. But if you doesn't have that, so you can take a paper sheet and then you can roll it and make a straw out of it. Fix the straw using the sellotape. You can make the straw while using a paper sheet, and you can roll it and then you can stick it using sellotape. Dip one Dip one end of paper straw on the soap water mixture. Okay, in the soap water mixture, we have to just dip it in a soap water mixture and then blow air through the other dry end of the paper straw, and then we have to blow air from the other end, so bubbles will be created. You will see the soap bubbles being formed. Okay, soap bubbles will form one by one. So this was the method of creating soap bubbles. Everyone knows how to create the soap bubbles, so you can form the soap bubbles and play with them. Now this next one. Now write instructions to make a lemonade. So as we have seen, this type you have to write the things you need for making something, and then we have to write method how to make. So we have to write instructions for making lemonade. In instructions, both the things will come: the things we need and method how to make it. Use the following words to phrases to write a method in your notebook. Okay, so things you need things you need is juice of half lemon, a pinch of salt, 2 spoons of sugar, 1 glass of water. And these are the things we need. And just what we have to write method, what we will do, what when we will add lemon juice, and then when we will add a pinch of salt, then we will mix it by using spoons, and 1 glass of water when we will make, when we have to stir it, when we have to take it. So we will write instructions. For example, I will just give you a hint, and this type you have to write the method of making a lemonade. Okay, so add first one we will add a juice of half lemon into a glass of water. Okay, so first sentence will be add a juice of half lemon into a glass of water. Then second one we will mix it mix it well. Then add a pinch of salt to taste. Okay, and then add 2 spoons of sugar into it. Okay, and then take it into the glass, pour it into the glass, and your lemonade is ready. So 4 to 5 methods will be there. Means number 1, number 2, you have to write that type. As you can see in this picture, I'm going to send this picture, and you have to just take these words into your sentences and make this type, how you will make lemonade out of it. Things you need, you have to write the method. So this will be your homework, and one more homework will be there, that is read and understand. Wait, first of all you have to read, and then we have to write So this is also very easy. So as you can see, there is a fruit basket. Okay, so fruits are good for health. I like to eat apples, mangoes, grapes, pineapples, pears and guavas. Eating fruits will keep you strong, healthy and active. So this is fruit basket, and we here are the sentences related to fruits. Okay, a comma is used to separate the words of same series and give us soft pause while reading. Okay, so these types after every word means apples, mangoes, grapes, we are taking a soft pause while reading these words. Okay, so you can give commas also for taking a soft pause while reading. So let's list down the things in our classroom using commas. Okay, how to use commas we will see. Okay, so as we have seen that in first sentence, then I like to eat apples, mangoes, grapes, pineapples, pears and guavas. So every time while we are using commas, we are reading like that, we are taking a pause. Okay, where there is a comma, we are taking a pause. So that type also, this type we have to write uh, things in our classroom. So there is a blank space in between, you have to write the things in your classroom, names of the things in your classroom. So our classroom has a blackboard, a table, a chair, a bookshelf, a chart. You can write anything that you have seen in your classroom. A door, two windows, and then benches, and then what will be there? One tube light, fans. We have seen duster, chalks. You can write, and every time you have to give a comma, and charts, as we have seen. Okay, so this type you have to give just write a word, give a comma, write a word, give a comma. The things in your classroom you have to write that only. आपको बस आपके क्लासरूम में आपको क्या क्या दिखता है, ब्लैक बोर्ड, टेबल, चेयर, बेंचेस, ये सारी चीज़ें दिखती है ना, तो ये सारी चीज़ें लिखनी है एंड आपको एवरी वर्ड के बाद कॉमा देना है एज वी हैव सीन. ओके, दिस इज ए कॉमा in bracket we have seen. So this will be your homework, and you have to write the method of making lemonade. So these two will be your homework. So do complete your homework, and this was our last chapter of this unit, and from the next video or next lecture we will start our revision.